Hello guys, this is Abhishek patil from All-in-one hub. Today in this video we're going to talk about Google Analytics for beginner. So if you are wondering what is Google Analytics, let me tell you in a short that Google Analytics will help you in various aspects. If you are new in Google Analytics, it will help you to track the behavior of customers, where they are coming from, their domestic, their age, their what OS are there from coming from to your site, so you can track them and make them in your audience. So this is basically Google Analytics. And if you want to learn Google Analytics for beginner and earn a certificate, so let's move ahead. So in this course, uh, there are 4 units. Here you can seeing on the screen 4 units where you learn all about Google Analytics. And here let's look into this video, why digital analytics. Here his instructor will instruct you how to go ahead and create an account in Google Analytics so that you can set up your own account. And if you complete all these units, uh, here you can see on the screen, you you will able to give assessment. There are each assessment, there are 4 assessment to the 4 units. Here you can see I'm showing you the answer. So I'm quickly going here. So let's look into this second module. And there are 4 modules, as I earlier said. So here you can see. So this course is free and absolute worth learning. And how long will it take to complete this course? So it depends upon your level of familiarity and understanding the course. So usually it takes 4 to 6 hours to complete. It's on your capability, so you can complete it in one shot. So it's your day. And third and the most important question, that how can I earn certificate of completion? So you can track your progress in your profile after completing the all course content, including assessment of each units, where where I earlier said that it is the assessments. So and where at the end of every unit score above 80%, only you can get a certificate. Means they have minimum requirement of 80% to earn a certificate. So you have to study hard. And fourth question is that which device you can use to do this course. So this course include all types of information formats, such as the text and text, as well as videos formats, such as and however, so not all content will work. Not all content will work for you optimally on mobile devices. So use desktop PC, laptops, etc, which if you have. And yes, this is the all course review. And if you have any questions, let me do in the comment section, and I'll give you the link of this course in the descriptions. So let's go and check it out. And thank you for watching the video.